Mo dona singa tali tegi biong. Kena tali tegi biong. Mo kitu sama ilo singo. Tomandau sobutu na babini bina kabir tuna luni timi. Bina kabali buna gangachuko. Bina kabali. Usa kila mo dona singa ngul sabin dende. Bikenda kita na kaibichi. Kenta keta na kai viti ndina quando tokona tun timini viti ini selusi koya wendo vira koya to se tibungun tu menang bongi go se la tungango ali tu kitale meya kem dorni rezango to tungo na bungongu oira ke sigo na avalengo ni sakina ngito ko reke na la dorobor tu esa sango era osu tu ibalengo era la kumai tana kukun non ratali takatuna timini viti apeke na non ratokona pambimbi na tokon ni timini viti go Fiji go ni mai tiko ni mai ando mandarambilo na valebu.
Oh, it was a nice game, and for sure we were looking forward for Fiji's win, but we won. Just keep up the good games and keep fit, stay strong, and Fiji surely will win again.
Oh, kami maro sarwa kali una lebi bitsi ngala na tonong orang bala bunga maybe intalwa ko na chimni bitsi ni rosa to tagan chimni Australia. Ganga bakan tua. Go Fiji go. Kenapa kali?
Facisu, toso miti toso.
Ori, ya, tahu reka salah minggu dah kangkol. Ori,
yeah, on behalf of the people of Savu and myself, my family, we want to thank the Fiji Rugby Union, especially for the team, the Fiji Water Flying Fijians, for the great effort that they did for the whole nation early this morning, beating Wallabies 22-15. The last time was kind of like 1954, if I'm correct. They beaten the Wallabies on that time, but now they beaten again. Thank you so much for the team.
And was the game today? It was a very good game, the way we wanted. And we would like to request all the Fijians to cheer Fiji team. Go Fiji go! Go Fiji go! Go Fiji go! You people can do it. You're the best.